Follow the steps on how to make a silhouette from a photo using Photoshop. Let's start by inserting a photo. Select subject. Use quick selection to refine details. Use the Shift key to swap. Next, click this icon and select Solid Color. Choose Color. This layer wasn't used, so I deleted it. Next, crop. Go to File and Export to PNG. Open Illustrator and insert the silhouette image here. Convert this image to vector by tracing. Right-click and ungroup. Then delete the frame. Now make a circle. Fill with the gradient. Bring the silhouette to the front. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.